Hey guys, this is Dirk Dallas here with Adorama TV, and today I want to show you how to hand launch and hand catch your DJI Mavic Pro or Mavic Air. Now, why would you want to do this? There's going to be a circumstance probably where you're going to have an uneven surface. Maybe there's sand, maybe there's rocks, maybe there's snow, maybe you're trying to launch or land in a moving vehicle like a boat or something. Practicing this technique can prove to be really helpful so you don't get your drone messed up. Now, I will say, please do not try this unless you feel very comfortable controlling your drone. This is something for someone that's more experienced. All right, let's get started. So some people like to take off with their hand flat, and this definitely works. I personally like to have a little bit of tension, so I grab it, pinching it on the sides. And my hand is always towards the front of the body, near the camera. I'm not touching the camera, but I don't want to be back here just because these props in the back, they do sit lower than the front props. Now, because these are going to be spinning, you want to make sure you're not taking off low, close to your body, or even near your face. I like to take off a little bit higher above my head. So once I'm ready with my positioning, I'm going to get my controller in one hand and rest it against my body so I have some support. I'm gonna get the auto takeoff button ready. I'm gonna make sure the drone is away from my face. My fingers are towards the front of the body. And then I'm gonna slide down. All right, now I'm ready to land the drone in my hand. At first, what's gonna happen is you're gonna see that the drone's gonna sense my hand as an obstacle and it's gonna try to avoid it. So it just went up automatically on its own. So I need to go into my menu settings really quick and change it. I'm gonna go to the three dots. I'm gonna go to the visual navigation settings. I'll scroll down to advanced settings, and then I'll go to landing protection and turn that off. I'll click disable, exit out of the menu, and now I can land the drone in my hand. So once I got close to my hand, I just was pulling it down further and further until it hit all the way at the bottom, and then the motors shut off. Another quick tip, if you feel like this is juggling too much, resting it against your body, is just get lower and put your controller down on the ground. Keep your drone away from you, and then just with one hand you can swipe over. Another way you can land the drone in your hand is to use the auto landing feature on the left-hand side of your screen. So for me to do the auto landing feature, I need to have my hand underneath the drone so the drone sensors can sense my hand, and then I can click the button and then slide it. So I'm gonna do that right now. So you have several options for landing your drone. You can use the left stick, rest it against your body. You can use the auto land feature. If you feel like this is juggling too much, resting against your body, remember, just get a little bit lower and you can use your hand to just do the sliding without holding the controller. All right, so I hope that was helpful to you guys. Thanks so much for watching Adorama TV. I'm Dirk Dallas, and I'll see you guys next time.